good afternoon, good morning, good evening to all. Today I'm gonna make cordon bleu, and then I'm gonna show you all my ingredients for the cordon bleu and how to make it. Okay, here you go. Here are all the ingredients of my cordon bleu. This is cheese, a pro-made pizza mozzarella cheese. The eggs, you have to mix it well. That's 2 eggs. And this is the ham. Any ham that you want. This is Black Forest ham. So I'm gonna use Black Forest ham. And of course, this is the bread for the cordon bleu. I'm gonna make cordon bleu. The ingredients are bread instead of chicken, or flour. So I'm gonna use the sliced bread and white loaf, and then this one, cheese, eggs, and ham. Then I'm gonna show you how to flatten the bread. So this is the rolling pin to flatten the bread. Now I'm gonna flatten the bread. So it's very easy to flatten the bread. Of course, it's a hard work. Of course, you need a force to flat the bread. So when you flat the bread, it's flat already. It's like a paper now. So you can put this, and also the cheese. So this is the Black Forest ham. So put like this, roll it. And now you have to roll the bread. And you have to use the eggs. Put in here. To seal it, you have to seal because I'm not using any flour. So this one, you can seal it so it doesn't gonna open, and then put on your tray. So that's how you gonna make the cordon bleu. And then you can fry it, or for myself, I like bake. Because for the healthy lifestyle. So see, you have to sell with the egg, and then put in your tray. So it's very easy how to make cordon bleu, the easy way. Next time I'm gonna show you chicken cordon bleu. This one is a ham cordon bleu, ham and cheese. So next time, chicken and cheese. And I'm gonna show you when it's cooked already. When I'm gonna cook. So ham, cheese, roll it in the ham, and then put on the bread and roll also, and seal with the eggs. Put on your tray. You see now? So I'm gonna make more. It's for our dinner party for open house. Now the oil is boiling already. So time to put the cordon bleu. See, I make one more cordon bleu. So it's boiling already. So I have to put the cordon bleu. It's gonna be deep fried. So see, it's sealed. So always in medium heat. And now I put in a low heat because I put already the cordon bleu. Now the cordon bleu is cooked. So as you see the color, see the cheese coming up there. So now you have to put in the strainer. So you have to put in the strainer. Then you can put a new one. So this is 5 minutes boiling, deep fried, and the salad master 2 quarts top stove cookware. See, it's beautiful, the cordon bleu. And of course, you can close the lid of your cookware while you're deep fried. This is the finished product of my cordon bleu. So the thing, if you have more people, so you can cut this one like what I did now. So I cut that. So as you can see, it really looks good. So yeah, bon appetit. So let's eat.